Stuff you should know about pain. It's something we all experience. But it's more complex than you might think. There are different types of pain. And how we perceive pain is influenced by many factors, including our emotions and past experiences. It's a complex interaction between body and mind. And stuff you should know about memory, it's what makes us who we are. We have short-term memory for immediate information, and long-term memory for things we store away. Memories are formed through complex processes in the brain, and forgetting? Well, that's a normal part of how our brains work, too. Follow for more.